in den och igen kushulas rum tam shim khallo snadushter me shad ya kuslem hief unspeer van vashul tam shim khallo snadushter me bovakoluch perlach odrim ruch barachas a cardinal grave titin ler valchre see come no sayat trim hief the chalagre tam shim khallo snadushter me
After
Wake for gongalu Och nuile Kewa Tá sé mar se gachla Tá sé rillam Go bhfuil an tam a gimach we Is tá bear a dian Is tá get to me It's on tous, chasseurs, Kurt de Froganu, see she's Lichski, near Shane I see, oh Jack, a stack, Dane and Michigan crack, few gone rouge, hello in the lane sus. Takama, kuner. Hey, clock a leho. Brana Tivus to Hunna. To a lyrical dinner. Dinner, a year is slack. Not well on time, a game of wet. It's time we're all at. Oh, big to one, no big to us. Squilling lambs, misery on twos. Chasseurs. Kurt de Froganu, see she's Lichski, near Shane I oh, Limo, but the hussy up yo, few gone hush, hello in the lame sus. To the Valahara, it's to Shana when you're tired. Nishashir is strong enough. To someone's on toes, Jassus, Kurt the Voganu, see she's Lichki, near Shay and I Oh Jack, a stack, Dane and Michigan crack, few gone rouge. Holla holla lame, holla holla lame, holla holla lame, holla holla lame, holla holla lame.
Wat am míle buchas a ráibh a scábhlíon úntaach. Tá sé an Jackart am, choirí bhacail, ag có bródúlas a táimid go léir asah. Bheadh mé píosa beag le léamhdíobh le moltaí don saoil, agus tásúla go mhuinnig sibh anamh agus úsáid as sa todhchaí. This is the parable of the pencil. The pencil maker took the pencil aside just before putting him into the box. There are 5 things I need you to know, he said to the pencil, before I send you out into the world. Always remember them and never forget, and you will become the best pencil you can be. 1. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in someone's hand. 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time, but you will need it to become a better pencil. 3. You will be able to correct any mistakes you might make. 4. The most important part of you will always be what's on the inside. And 5. On every surface you are used on, you must leave your mark, no matter what the condition. You must continue to write. Pencil understood, promised to remember, it went into the box, purpose in its heart. Now replacing the place of the pencil with you. Always remember these things and never forget, and you will become the best person you can be. 1. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in God's hand and allow other human beings to access you for the many gifts you possess. 2. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time by going through various problems in life, but you'll need it to become a stronger person. 3. You'll always be able to correct any mistakes you might make. 4. The most important part of you will always be what's on the inside. And 5. On every surface you walk through, you must leave your mark. No matter what the situation, you must continue to do your duties. Yn oer I live Galer a PhotoStory, as ná dénig I darmad oring, ag sib in Osraí Joe.